Yo YouTube, how's it going guys? Today I'm going to show you a hardware ID spoofer. I've been using this one. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. I literally just used this on Warzone and created a new account completely fine, not banned, and it is all working. So this is actually someone else's hacked account or something like that, but I'm able to log in without being hardware banned. So what this hardware ID spoofer is, just a little thing. It's going to say hardware ID spoofer, BattleNet, EAC spoofer, registry clean, Steam clean. So you're just going to download it. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. I'll put the link in the comment section, so go do that. But it's going to say spoofing hardware ID right here, mapping the kernel. You will have to restart your computer to actually change your hardware ID, so it can take full effect. But this does work easily. So it's just changing BIOS ID. It'll actually spoof your Windows license key because they do detect that as well. It's an easy one they can read. So we'll spoof all that. And as you guys can see, it's all just a little nice and easy bat file that you run. And I'll show you guys how to download it. So it is a zip file, so you have to download the zip file to download this. And then you should be all good. So it's going to say trace is clean, BattleNet trace is cleaned. Wait for this. So it's done. Please restart your computer for these changes to take effect. So it should be done now, guys. So just go ahead, restart your computer, and your hardware ID will be a thing. So how do we go about installing this? I'm going to put the link in the comment section. I'll pin it in the comment section. Go ahead, click on this. Just load it. Should be a bit of link. And it's going to take you to this right here. Better file download. It's going to say file hardware ID spoofer.zip is ready to download. Go ahead, download that. Extract it. You might have to download some other stuff. Extract it. Get the hardware ID spoofer OZ, and then run that, and that will then change your hardware ID spoofer. So now I will need to restart my computer for it to take effect, but it's literally that easy, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.